Hi guys! Okay, so protein. After about 6 hours of just scratching the surface learning about protein, now instead of asking, am I getting enough protein? I'm asking, am I getting enough of certain amino acids? So this is what I'd like you to take away from today, is that protein is really just the end product of a bunch of single amino acids coming together to create certain things like our heart or connective tissue, so many different things. Enzymes, digestive enzymes are proteins. So proteins are a culmination of specific amino acids. Here's how it works. We eat something that has protein in it, which is pretty much everything. Even vegetables and fruit have protein in small amounts, but they still have protein. So protein digestion starts in our stomach and then continues into the small intestine. The stomach will break down these proteins into single amino acids. Now there's 26 amino acids altogether, like 26 letters of the alphabet. But there are 9 that are essential. So what that means is that those 9 cannot be made in the body. The others we can make in the body, but those 9 have to come from the outside. So either food or a supplement. And once we have sufficient levels of those 9 essential amino acids, then our body can produce all of the other amino acids. And when we have sufficient levels of all of those amino acids, then we can use each amino acid to create things in our body, like muscle and enzymes. So much. It even has to do with fluid balance in our body. Certain proteins will remove excess water from our tissues, right? So if we have we're retaining water, then perhaps that means that we are deficient in specific amino acids. So it's not, are we getting enough protein? Like if I eat a bunch of steak, maybe I'm still deficient in other amino acids. Now, animal products will have a more complete amino acid profile than plant foods. Yes, and in fact, an egg has the most complete amino acid profile. That means that the levels of the 9 essential amino acids are most complete in an egg. Pretty cool. And again, most animal proteins will have more levels of those specific amino acids. And what that just means is that if you are a vegetarian or a vegan, then you're going to have to combine certain foods. So if you eat a ton of rice, make sure that you're also eating nuts and seeds and certain grains, legumes, beans. Make sure that you're combining foods, because different foods are going to have different amino acid profiles. And as long as we are consuming foods that have those different profiles, they'll combine in the stomach, because remember, they break down into specific amino acids. So it's okay if we're not eating one food that has all of them, but as long as we are getting them into our body, and even if that means supplementing. So I'm not going to go into the specific amino acids because we'd be here for a long time, but I just wanted to kind of map that out a little, that it's not really, oh, this product has 14 grams of protein, but is it the right kind of protein? Does it have the specific amino acids that I need? Because some amino acids are really good for our neurotransmitters, like serotonin, dopamine, the feel-good hormone, melatonin, which allows us to drift into sleep and calm down. And then other amino acids are going to support our immunity and how we heal. So it's really important to be paying attention to a complete amino acid profile. And if you've got questions, feel free to get in touch. I'm happy to have a conversation about it. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.